In 1947, the US government classified something in the Nevada desert. No one is allowed inside. Even pilots are ordered to fly around it. This place is called Area 51. Officially, just a military base for aircraft testing. But witnesses say something completely different. In 1989, former base employee Bob Lazar claimed 9 flying saucers are stored there. And the government has been studying them for decades. Satellite images show at least 6 underground levels beneath the base. An entire underground city beneath the desert. In 2017, the Pentagon officially admitted a UFO research program existed. They hid it for 22 years. So what are they hiding right now? Locals from Rachel, Nevada see strange lights every single night. They stay silent because they are afraid. One farmer said, one morning his entire livestock simply vanished. No tracks, no blood, nothing. According to insiders, the technology there is 1,000 years ahead of us. The government calls all of this conspiracy theories. But the facts speak for themselves. What do you think they're hiding? Write in the comments.